Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning into another video. I just wanted to do the prize announcement. I haven't had time to get out and do a good surf fishing session in a couple weeks, so I haven't made a video on that. But the prize, what I was giving away was 2 bags of camo Berkeley Gulf sandworms. And so I did a random selection, and actually first I picked a person who specifically said in the comments that they didn't want to be a part of the competition. They were just saying hi, so I had to do it again. And then Chevy Stepside, your name came up. That was you, so you are the winner. Just get a hold of me if you can through Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. It's @TheReel, R-E-E-L, GoFishSD. And go ahead and DM me, and we'll figure out how to get you the worms. I'll have them shipped straight to you. Also right now, just since I haven't had time to get out and make another video, I'm just going to put up a clip of some trout that I caught on a recent trip to Sequoia National Park recently. So I'm going up there again in about 3 weeks, so I'll have that video coming up. I'll try to eke in one more video before that, probably do some surf fishing or something like that. So either way, enjoy the next probably minute or two of just some clips from last year, and I'll get a new video out as soon as possible. Congrats, Chevy Stepside, and once again, get a hold of me, and we'll figure out the sandworm deal. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again. All right, guys, I can see a few swimming around in here. I got a good feeling about this one. I don't know if you can see them too, but got him. Got him, got him, got him. Oh, come here, come here, come here, come here. You're okay, you're okay. Got him. Woo! Man, all that and it's spill in the creek. Get your hand wet. Ah! Foot back in the creek. Ah, man. All right, guys. Take a look at that beauty. That is a beautiful fish. I'm gonna try this little spot under the log, but I figured what the hell. It's in the shade. Oh, got a bite. Maybe this would be a good spot. Or maybe I'm just gonna scare all the fish away. There we go, got one. Woo! Oh, is he on? Yep, he's on. All right, one more reminder, get your hand wet before you handle the trout, because you don't want to get there. You don't want to take off their little coat of slime that protects them. All right, guys. There we go. See if I can show you without him wriggling out. Real quick, there you go. Pretty little fish. All right, let's get him back in. Nice release. There we go. See you, buddy. Thanks for letting me catch you.